In this 3 mark subjective question, they are directing us to understand the amino acid sequence of the given beta globulin chain of the hemoglobin to confirm whether the given chain amino acid sequence is correct or not by mentioning the normal and abnormal sequence. By observing the glutamic acid in the sixth position, we are confirming this hemoglobin is normal, and after understanding the HbA peptide specification, we are saying this hemoglobin is normal. With this specification, let me say the answer for the given sub-question. In the first sub-question, they are directing us to specify whether the given amino acid sequence is correct or wrong. For this, we are specifying the given amino acid sequence is normal. Why? Because in the sixth question, we are observing the glutamic acid. For this illustration, we are getting 2 marks. In the second sub-question, they are directing us to specify this sickle cell anemia disease is a Mendelian disorder or a genetic disorder. For this, we are specifying yes, this is a Mendelian disorder. Why? Because it is representing the mutation in the single gene. That is the reason why we are observing the glutamic acid replacement with the valin, the sickle cell anemia. With this illustration, we are getting 1 mark. In this way, we are satisfying the overall 3 mark demand of the first optional subjective question. The second optional subjective question, they are directing us to specify the genetic disorder name or the symptom name with the given genetic disorder condition. In the first condition, they are specifying the mutation in the gene will not make the phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. If this is the condition, what type of genetic disorder will prevail? For this, we are specifying the disease mentioned here is phenylketonuria. For this illustration, we are getting half mark. And for specifying the accumulation of the phenylpyruvate in brain results in the mental retardation. Phenylpyruvate is excreted in the urine. Maximum skin pigmentation happens. There will be a reduction in the hair growth. So for all this specification, we are getting another 1 mark. And for the second karyotype illustration, we are specifying this is exactly illustrating the abnormal Klinefelter syndrome. For this specification, we are getting half mark. And we need to specify the condition by mentioning the breast development is maximum in the male like female. This condition we are calling that as a gynecomastia condition, representing the sterility or sterile condition or infertility condition of the respective male. For this narration, we are getting 1 mark. In this way, we are satisfying the overall 3 mark demand of the second optional subjective question.